June 21st. Yes, those are bees. Yes. I saw them flying around earlier this morning. There was a whole bunch of them. Got some other little critters too. Yeah, that bee. Yes, sir. Get them. Get them. There's another one. Are you sleeping in there? No. Yeah. Look at there. He's not camera shy at all. Are you camera shy? Yeah. Ooh. Nasty. Yeah. Ha. Coming out to get warmed up. Yes, sir. What you doing in there, dude? You camera shy? Nah, I'm not camera shy. I see you hiding. Sleeping. Anyway, God bless in the 4-5. We got some bees.